Want to download the official Windows 10 ISO safely from Microsoft? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to download Windows 10 ISO in 2026. This method is 100% official, safe, and perfect for creating a bootable USB or reinstalling Windows 10. First, open your favorite browser such as Google Chrome. In Google, search Windows 10 ISO download. Open the official download page from Microsoft. Move down to Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Click Download Now option. This downloads the media creation tool. Open the media creation tool and accept the license terms. Select Create Installation Media option. Click Next. Use recommended options. Choose ISO file. Click Next. Select where to save the file. The tool will download the latest Windows 10 ISO automatically. Wait this to complete downloading the image. Done. You can use this ISO file to create a bootable USB. Install Windows 10 without USB. Upgrade your PC manually. If this video helped you download Windows 10 ISO officially, don't forget to like and subscribe to IT Next for more Windows tutorials.